In the world of artificial intelligence, a storm is brewing, a legal battle that has the potential to reshape the very foundations of AI as we know it. OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, is in hot water. Not one, but two lawsuits are looming over them like dark clouds, threatening to unleash a torrent of consequences. The very first lawsuit that's sending shockwaves through OpenAI's world is all about copyright, and it's causing quite a stir in the legal realm. Simply put, OpenAI is being accused of using books that are protected by copyright without getting the author's permission. Think of it as borrowing someone's prized possession without even asking for their okay. Let's break down what copyright is all about. Imagine you've created something awesome, like a beautiful drawing, a captivating story, or maybe some of your favorite photos. Copyright is like a protective shield for creators. It ensures that they get all the credit for their work and, if needed, some compensation when someone else wants to use it. It's like saying, hey, that's my creation and you can't just take it without my permission. Now, think about it in these terms. Authors whose works were used to train OpenAI's AI models are saying they never gave the green light for it. In other words, they're raising their voices and saying, hold on a minute. You can't just help yourself to our creative treasures without our say-so. It's a bit like if someone grabbed your artwork, stories, or cherished photos and started using them for their own benefit. You'd probably be more than just a little bit upset, right? So this lawsuit is about protecting the rights of those creators who poured their creativity into their books. It's about ensuring they receive the recognition and, when necessary, the rewards they rightfully deserve for their hard work and imagination. The heart of the matter in these lawsuits lies in the alleged use of copyrighted text by OpenAI's AI systems. You see, OpenAI trained its AI on books without obtaining permission from the authors. What's more, they didn't give proper credit or compensation to these authors. It's akin to taking something precious without asking, and understandably, this has ruffled quite a few feathers because it goes against the established rules of using someone else's work. This situation has brought forward some weighty questions. Should AI be allowed to freely use copyrighted text without seeking permission? Is it equitable to the authors who poured their heart and soul into crafting these books? These questions strike at the core of the lawsuit against OpenAI. Authors invest immense effort into creating their literary works, and that's where copyright laws come into play. These laws serve a vital purpose. They ensure that authors are duly recognized and compensated for their creative endeavors. In this lawsuit, OpenAI faces allegations of not adhering to these fundamental rules. The outcome of this legal battle has the potential to reshape the landscape of how AI can utilize books and other creative works in the future. It might even bring about modifications in the way copyright laws operate. However, OpenAI's legal challenges don't end with copyright disputes. Another lawsuit alleges that their AI models have been quietly collecting personal information from the vast expanse of the internet without obtaining proper consent, potentially violating privacy laws. It's like someone secretly peeking into your personal diary without your permission. This lawsuit raises the crucial question of whether OpenAI has been prying into people's online lives, gathering their digital footprints without asking for permission, or worse, without their knowledge. Think of it this way. You're confiding your deepest secrets to your best friend, and all of a sudden, a stranger gains access to those very secrets. This is the kind of concern that this lawsuit brings to light. It's not merely about data, it's about the fundamental right to privacy. Should this lawsuit go against OpenAI, it could spell serious trouble. Privacy is an essential right in today's digital age, and any violation of it can lead to substantial fines and significant damage to OpenAI's reputation. This lawsuit serves as a critical reminder that maintaining digital privacy isn't just a matter of personal choice, but a legal obligation. Companies, including tech giants like OpenAI, must adhere to stringent privacy laws and seek consent before venturing into the realm of personal data. The very reputation of OpenAI hangs in the balance. Trust, once lost, is hard to regain. Businesses and individuals using OpenAI's products like ChatGPT might second-guess their choices. Businesses and regular folks who rely on OpenAI are in a tough spot. These lawsuits create uncertainty. They may wonder if it's wise to stick with OpenAI or if they should look elsewhere for AI solutions. OpenAI's reputation isn't just about looking good, it's a big deal in the world of AI. In an industry where trust is crucial, a damaged reputation can affect how everyone sees AI. The repercussions of these lawsuits extend far beyond OpenAI's boardroom. They have the potential to reshape the rules and regulations governing the entire AI industry, a transformation that could impact not only companies like OpenAI, but also the very essence of AI, copyright, and privacy in the digital age. In the wake of these legal battles, lawmakers and regulatory bodies may be prompted to reevaluate and fortify existing laws, or even craft entirely new ones to accommodate the evolving AI landscape. This means that we could witness the birth of an entirely new set of rules that govern how AI companies operate, how they use data, and how they respect intellectual property rights. Privacy, which has already been a hot topic in recent years, could see a profound shift in its legal framework. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, the protection of personal information is paramount. New regulations could emerge to ensure that data privacy is a fundamental right in the age of AI, with stricter rules governing how AI systems collect and utilize personal information. Moreover, copyright laws, often seen as archaic in the face of the digital revolution, may be revitalized. These lawsuits serve as a stark reminder that the digital age has outpaced some aspects of copyright law, leaving authors and creators vulnerable to unlicensed usage of their work. Future regulations may establish clearer guidelines for how AI can use copyrighted content, ensuring that creators are fully compensated and acknowledged. Now you might be wondering, what does all of this mean for me? Well, it means that the consequences of these lawsuits are something you should be keeping an eye on. For starters, if you're passionate about AI, these legal battles will likely shape the tools and technologies you've got at your disposal in the future. The rules and regulations that emerge from these disputes could dictate how AI models are trained, what data can be used, and the ethical considerations that surround AI development. Moreover, if you're someone who values your digital privacy, these lawsuits hold immense importance. The allegations of unauthorized data collection by AI models raise critical questions about how our personal information is handled in the digital realm. The verdicts in these cases could influence future privacy protections and data usage practices, directly impacting your online experiences. For creators and content producers, these legal battles underscore the significance of intellectual property rights in the digital age. The outcome could affect how AI systems access and utilize copyrighted material, potentially leading to fairer compensation and recognition for creators. As we conclude our exploration of these pivotal lawsuits, it's clear that the consequences extend far beyond the courtroom. These legal battles are shaping the future of AI, creativity, and the rights of authors and creators. The questions that have been raised here are not just legal technicalities, they resonate with the very essence of how we navigate the digital age. So stay informed and continue to follow these legal battles closely. Engage in discussions about the future of AI, data privacy, and creative rights. And most importantly, keep supporting our channel. By subscribing and hitting that notification bell, you assure that you stay up to date on critical developments in the world of tech, AI, and innovation. And your support does allow us to bring you more insightful content that keeps you at the forefront of the digital revolution. And, as always, my friends, thank you very much for choosing to spend your time with us today. We'll see you in our next episode.